Hey guys, how are you all doing? My name is Ayush and in this video I'm going to unbox this JBL T450bt headphones. But before starting, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. So without wasting time, let's get into it. At front you will see JBL branding, some of its features, its model number and the first look of these headphones. I brought it from Flipkart for 2800 rupees, but you can get it during offers for just 2400 rupees. So if you are planning to buy this, then wait for offers so that you can save 400 rupees. At left side there is clean orange JBL branding, and on the right side there is some of its features like inline controls, extra bass, etc. And at the back you will see its pricing, box contents and some of its features and the first look of these headphones. So let's open it. It is available in 3 colors: black, blue and white. I like black the most, but you can go for white and blue also. So here is the headphones. First let's see, it is the micro USB cable for charging these headphones, and there is some paperwork, warranty cards, manual, owner guide, etc. And these are the main headphones, JBL T450bt. It is foldable and the cushions are very soft and you will get a nice quality while wearing it. So let's open these paperworks. You will see four papers. One is for warranty, one is for manual, other is the owner's guide, and this is for branding. Here you will get how to start it, what are the functions, etc. So let's keep this aside. So let me charge it so that I can on it. So I have charged it and I have also tried it a bit. Its extension is very nice, which I liked a lot. You can easily extend this. It is extremely foldable and well designed, and the build quality is also extremely high. It is available in 3 colors: black, white and the other is blue. I like black the most, so I go for it. You can check out blue or white also. Its sound quality is really nice. Its cushions are really soft, as I have told you, and the best thing about it that they are extremely foldable, so you can just easily fold it and place it on any surface and they will just not fall. And there is an inline control for power on off button, and there is a small LED which indicates that it is paired with any device or not. And there is the inline controls. With the help of them you can end or accept calls, or you can play or pause music, you can raise the volume or you can decrease the volume. All the functions are given in the manual, so you can go there. But I must tell you that if you are going to buy a wireless headset, then you should go for these. The link is in the description. And if you are going to buy a wired headset, then you should definitely go for JBL T450bt wired headset, because they are also very good headset. The main difference between them is just they have auxiliary cable and they are not Bluetooth. Otherwise their build quality is also extremely nice. I will also give the link in the description. Hope you all enjoyed this video and this video will be helpful to you. The link of these headphones are in the description below, so you can go there and check it out. For more awesome and amazing content, subscribe my channel. And if you have any queries, suggestions or want to see a specific video, then comment me down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you soon next time. Till then, bye.